Tungni onene riwruog siasa mar Kenya Kwanza bang' jokanyo mamoko oseo jagoro maduong' mar UDA Cleophas Malala ne otiyo marach gi mbi mar apisi mare. Jarbur ma Kimilili Bidmus Barasa oseo Malala ne chalo ma itiyo godo gi kweth maketo sirikal tesre mondo mi obed andhoga kendo roch tend Kenya Kwanza. Barasa wacho ni Malala rocho kwe kind josiasa maya imbo mar piny Kenya.
It's becoming apparently clear that one, Cleophas Malala, the immediate senator for Kakamega, and the current acting Secretary General of UDA party, has been hired by ODM and its sympathizers to wreck the Kenya Kwanza coalition from within. I say so because of the following reasons. And one, I have evidence. I have been furnished by M-Pesa statements. I have been furnished by bank statements that indicates that this young man is receiving money from ODM sympathizers to wreck the Kenya Kwanza coalition from within. This is very evident if the statements that he has been making for the last 3 months is something to go by. One, Cleophas Malala doesn't understand the efforts that our President William Samoei Ruto and very many leaders put to bring Musalia Mudavadi and Moses Wetangula within the Kenya Kwanza coalition. But he has continued to be used by the ODM and her sympathizers to incite the people of Western Kenya against the duo